let's take a look at what we're dealing with. And as Nick and Ciara are mentioning, there's a lot of different things happening here. And in this order, it's water, wind, and winter. Thus, the flood watch from the National Weather Service and, of course, our 22 News Storm Team weather alert for Hamden, Hampshire, Franklin, and Berkshire County through tomorrow afternoon, although some river flooding may linger into the day on Thursday. Our primary concern is urban street flooding, but there also could be some stream flooding, some basement flooding is possible, and even some of our rivers, say the Westfield River, the Mill River, Deerfield River, all could end up being very close to flood or just over flood, and we may even be dealing with some flooding on the Connecticut River later on this week as all of this rain and snowmelt comes down from central and northern New England. Wind advisory also in effect, especially overnight tonight. We could see some wind gusts of 50 miles per hour. The farther south you are in the valley, the better chance you have of seeing those stronger wind gusts, and that could cause some power outages. In fact, there's a high wind warning for Berkshire County with some gusts up to 60 miles per hour. So be ready for some wind. And then last, but certainly not least, the winter situation here with a few inches of snow, maybe as much as perhaps as much as 5 inches of snow in western Hampshire, western Franklin, and northern Berkshire County. So we've got some slush in Franklin County right now. In fact, there's slush just about everywhere. Temperatures are close to freezing everywhere. So even though you might be seeing rain out your window, it is certainly possible that surfaces are slushy or icy. So be careful driving this evening and be careful walking this evening. The warm air is starting to win. You can see here in eastern Hamden County, as I mentioned, at Westover Air Reserve Base, we're in the mid-30s. However, on the other side of the Connecticut River in Hamden County, at Barnes Airport in Westfield, which is right in this neighborhood right here, it is 32 degrees, so still some freezing and frozen precipitation happening. And you can see we've got some snow and freezing rain in parts of Hampshire County, although the warm air is starting to get into eastern Hampshire County. And then western Franklin County, still some snow and sleet here. Rowe, Coleraine, snowing. Greenfield, more of a sleety precipitation right now. And in the Berkshires, we've also got some snow and some sleet as well. So you can see here on the clouds and radar the wintry weather now, but the warmer air winds and the wet weather will come in. And notice all of this wet weather, this heavy rain, northeastern Pennsylvania. That's what's headed our way for later on tonight. Case in point, 22 News Storm Team Skycast. We pause at 10 p.m. Here's the heavy rain, and then it's heaviest between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. Kind of a bullseye here right around midnight with some heavy rain. Heavy rain on top of snow results in flooding, and even though we're going to be dry here for the morning commute tomorrow, there will more than likely be some residual flooding. Give yourself some extra time for the morning commute tomorrow, and then some scattered rain and snow showers in here tomorrow afternoon. 22 News Storm Team forecast for tonight. Wintry mix to heavy rain, 34 to 40, street, stream, and possibly some river flooding likely here overnight tonight into tomorrow. 46 in Springfield and Westfield, 44 in Palmer tomorrow. High temperatures will come early tomorrow morning. These will be our daytime, midday temperatures in the mid-40s. Could be a few scattered snow showers in Franklin County tomorrow and also in Berkshire County, with temperatures falling into the 30s during the afternoon. Our 22 News Storm Team 7-day forecast. Rain and snow, scattered rain and snow showers here tomorrow, dry on Thursday. Another round of heavy rain possible Friday night into Saturday. In fact, right now that's looking pretty likely. And then windy here on Sunday, and the chance for some snow or snow showers on Tuesday. We'll continue to track the flood potential on 22 News at 10 on the CW Springfield and 22 News at 11. Weather anytime on the 22 News app.